Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Power Crush here. I'm back with another video, and you already know my videos always got to be spicy, always got to be something good. Listen, you see where we at right now? We at Walmart. You understand that? You understand where we at right now? Walmart. It's home of everything. You can get anything in here. You understand? Listen, basically what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be going in there. I'm going to be fake sneezing on people, but instead of sneezing, I'm going to be hitting them with silly spray. We about to get everybody reaction. Listen, if y'all like the video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. I'm gonna try to be posting regularly for y'all. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into the video.
Now what the hell?
You said I sneezed on you? My fault. You already know how I be out. COVID is real.
Tell him.
Ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no 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 way, boy. I'm not sure whatever you consider yourself to be, but what you just did is very inappropriate. Yeah, well, I don't really think so, but whatever.
He needs some milk.
Listen, y'all, that's about it. You feel me? I got a lot of good reactions in there. I mean, a lot of people was on staticky type of time and all for the camera, but it don't even matter. Listen, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all hit a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that extra good shit. And y'all better do it twice, 3 times, 4 times before I go after y'all grandma. And y'all know y'all grandma gonna want me. Listen, again, if y'all like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one.